Hey, what's up everybody? Now that I've been living and working in my house for about 6 full months, I've got a pretty good idea about how I use my space, and better yet, what I need in it. Enin here from U Droid Mania, and it's time to make over my office setup. So let's do this. First off, I've got 2 desks in my office, so I decided to start with my work from home setup, specifically my monitor. Right now, I'm using an old 21.5-inch Lenovo. I purchased it about 6 years ago. It came with my desktop computer, but it doesn't give me much space to work with, especially for what I do right now, so gotta swap that out. I did a little bit of research, and I chose this BenQ EW3280U. Wow, try saying that 3 times fast. It is a 32-inch 4K IPS monitor. I also purchased a ScreenBar Plus to go along with it. That's a monitor light. And I chose this combination for a couple of reasons. Today, even though I'm planning to use this monitor for work, I did want something that would be versatile enough so that if I one day wanted to put it somewhere else, it wouldn't be an issue. You know, future-proof. If you've heard of BenQ, then you should already know that they're pretty solid monitors, and when it comes to color accuracy, they're on point. Oh, and did I mention it comes with a remote? Sometimes, you never know you need stuff like this until one day you have it. If you're interested in the specs, I'll pop them up on the screen so you can pause the video and take a look. Since this is going to be an unboxing video though, and part of my office makeover series, if you want a review of this monitor, just let me know in the comments down below. By the time I actually upload this video and you guys see it, about 6 weeks will have already passed, so I'll have some pretty good feedback on it. Anyway, just from taking it out of the box, I can already tell you that this thing has some decent weight to it. I mean, the monitor arm that I planned on using with this setup wouldn't even hold it, so I had to replace it. This thing comes in at just under 18 pounds, so it's pretty hefty. I mean, look at the size of this thing. It's not an ultra wide, but it's huge, and that's what I was going for. You know, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I was thinking about putting a TV in here, but I'm not gonna need that now. So before I go ahead and set things up, I just wanted to give you a quick look at my current setup. Yeah, so this is why I'm replacing it. As you can see, it's nothing fancy, and it doesn't really make me feel that productive either when I go to work, so I gotta make some changes. So I guess today's video is part 1 of my office setup makeover series. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna call this right now, but anyway, you guys get the gist. So let me go ahead and finish breaking down the monitor so that I can get things set up here. When it comes to assembling and setting up this monitor, that was really easy. Basically, I just needed to add the stand, and then from there it's plug and play. In a monitor, I wanted one that would minimize the number of cables that would be shown, especially since this desk does face the entryway. You guys can see the mess here, but I'll get into that in another video. Since I've had this monitor, I have to say that it really helps me to feel more productive and get things done throughout the day. No more struggling trying to make space on the screen when it comes to multitasking. You know, that stuff's just become much easier. So in the next video, we'll talk more about the specifics of what I like in this monitor. And, you know, since this is part 1 of whatever I'm gonna call this series, I'm gonna end the video here. If you've enjoyed today's video, do leave a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.